Manifesting techniques can be incredibly powerful only if you know what you're doing. But most beginners tend to do these mistakes, which have a negative impact on their manifestation journey. Do you know which of the 7 most common manifesting mistakes you're probably making? If you don't, well, keep watching to find out. Hi, I'm Sarah from Manifestation Cosmos, and in this video, I'll go over 7 most common manifesting mistakes that are stopping you from manifesting your desires. If you find this video useful, please make sure to leave a like on this video so that YouTube pushes this video to more people. Now, without wasting any time, let's get started. Mistake 1: do want versus don't want. This is a fundamental concept and easily confused. Ask someone what they want in life, and they'll often start with a long list of the stuff they currently have but don't like. They'll moan about their job, partner, house, pet, car, you name it. If you catch yourself in this trap, usually flipping it around shows you what you'd rather get instead. That's your next project. Mistake 2: manifesting stress. Tony Robbins mentions people tend to be motivated by either inspiration or desperation, carrot or stick. The problem with using stick motivation is it's usually stressful, and stress makes you dumber. Blood is drained from your forebrain, which is the seat of significantly higher brain function when you are stressed. What is the solution? Do something deeply relaxing first before you plan and implement your manifesting project. It'll flow much more smoothly. Mistake 3: the realm of possibility. Estimate the likelihood of the project's success on a scale of 0 to 10 while planning a manifestation project. If it's under an 8 out of 10, you'll make very slow progress, if it ever turns up at all. Either learn how to shift your level of confidence in your ability to pull it off, or stair-step your way up to the target in small chunks, getting comfortable with each quick step before attempting the next. Let your real-world results convince you that you can achieve more and greater goals. Mistake 4: form versus function. Quite frequently, there will be minor differences in the exact details of your mental movie and how it plays out in reality. Don't get too hung up if your new silver BMW is technically platinum in color. It's still a successful project. While I prefer to be very particular in my project design, you can immediately manifest the essence of something and leave the exterior form to surprise you. Mistake 5: sloppy projects. Projects that are poorly designed are a primary source of failure. Make sure your intention is written down and expressed as a positive do-want and should contain specific information which is directly controllable by you and is huge enough to be exciting while also being compatible with everything else you're doing. Mistake 6: those who wait, and wait. You get things done on 3 levels: physically, psychologically, and energetically. Manifesting deals with the latter, change work deals with the psychological, and time management deals with the physical. Use all 3 at once for best results. After all, you wouldn't drive a car in second gear the whole time, would you? You set projects up metaphysically using manifesting drills, then jump on the opportunities that arise with your body, all guided by your mindset. Mistake 7: brainwave levels. Get control over your brainwaves, and your manifesting results will double. You need to be at the right level of mind to effectively build the mental blueprints that your future results are going to get built from. This means you need to relax deeply physically, then relax deeply mentally, then do your visualizations from that state of mind. When you next meditate, squeeze and relax all the muscles in your body progressively from your feet to your head, then count backwards slowly in your mind from 100 to 1. When you can count all the way down, without dozing off, you're in the right state of mind for effective manifesting. If you want to manifest anything you want, including money and love in your life, spending only 15 minutes of your time daily, then click the first link on the description of this video to watch a free and detailed presentation that will show you step-by-step manifestation techniques which you can implement in your life to manifest your desires. I highly encourage you to check it out. Thanks for watching this video, and please make sure to subscribe to the Manifestation Cosmos YouTube channel if you want to see content related to manifestation and the law of attraction.